In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and manage stocks using Robinhood's web platform. Whether you're brand new to investing or just looking for a refresher, I'll walk you through each step you need to take, explain what everything means, and share some practical tips to help you feel confident as you start your investment journey. To begin, head over to robinhood.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Here, to start searching for a stock or an ETF you're interested in, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the name or symbol of the stock or ETF, and you'll see a list of results appear. Click on the one you want to learn more about. This will bring you to the specific stock's detail page. When you're ready to make a purchase, click the Trade button, then select Buy. Now you have the option to enter the number of shares you want, or you can switch to enter a dollar amount you'd like to invest instead, depending on what's more comfortable for you. Before you confirm your order, it's important to check what type of order you're about to place. A market order means you're buying immediately at the current market price. It's fast and straightforward. Alternatively, a limit order lets you decide the maximum price you're willing to pay for a share, giving you more control, especially in a fluctuating market. After making your choice, click Review. And if everything looks correct, click Submit to place your buy order. After your purchase is complete, it's a smart idea to monitor how your stock performs over time. You can do this by returning to the stocks page and taking a look at the charts. Robinhood lets you easily toggle between timeframes, so you can see how the stock has moved over the past week, month, 3 months, or even year. This helps in spotting longer-term trends or short-term movements. Don't forget to also check out the news and stats sections on the page. These can help you stay informed about recent developments or notable statistics related to your investment, which can be valuable for making future decisions. When you have gains to protect or want to manage risk, consider setting an exit strategy. You can do this by clicking Trade, followed by Sell. Here, choose Order Type and select Stop Loss. Enter your stop price, that's the price at which you want Robinhood to automatically sell your shares if the value drops to that level. Finish the process by clicking Review and then Submit. This can provide peace of mind and help you safeguard gains. Lastly, keep an eye on your overall portfolio. Click on your account icon, then go to Settings and choose Investing. Here you will see important information like your total return and buying power, which shows how much money you have available to invest. That's the process of buying and managing stocks on Robinhood's website. With these simple steps, you're all set to start investing thoughtfully and keep your strategy on track.